Hi there, it's Nonna Teresa. Today I'm gonna be frying fish. This is the fish that I'm frying, called whiting, Merluzzo. The only thing I did is cleaned it and washed it, and I just put a little bit of salt. Just open the mouth a little bit, and you put the tail inside the mouth, squeeze the mouth, and this is just plain flour, and just dip it in flour, and it's done. So I'm gonna do another one. Okay, so here it is. I'm gonna dip it in the flour, and here I have sunflower oil for frying the fish. Okay, I'm just gonna put it in there with the other one, and I'm gonna do another one. Okay, beautiful, nice and golden. The fish is all ready for mangiare. Looks beautiful, and you can garnish with a lemon the way I did. There, I'll put a little lemon, parsley. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Until next time, ciao for now.